G'day Bomber fans, hope you're all travelling well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We're back in action for 2019. We had a nice little recovery skills day, first day back, so boys are moving well, come back in good nick. Got a few of the young boys who are moving real well. Little Das Parrish, he's cracking in already. Jordan Houlihan moving well. And great to see big Kev Smith, he's getting back in action too. So looking forward to the kicking off our campaign in a couple of months' time, but a lot of hard work to go in the meantime. But love your support. Get on board as a member in 2019. Should be an exciting year. Thanks, gang. You right? You don't want to call heads or nothing? Bounce. One more. Nice, bros. Good boy.
Catch the ball in the end zones, it'll be a score for both ends. Yep.
Plenty of voice, boys. Communication. Snatch! Oh, great flick! Yeah, set up, set up, set up! Get one to help. Take! Play it, play it! Boys, keep thinking principles. Principles. Nice yellows. No up, fresh. Yes, Benny. Gleesy loves this. Good. Whoa, where you going? Combo mix up. This is slick, boys. Quality, good work. This is a sharp group, sharp group. Fetty loves it. Good, 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 good. Loves the net, horsey. You right? You still in Bali? Yeah, bros. Yes.
That's on Bomber TV.
Yeah. Good. Oh! That's going for 4, bros. The step pitch. Did you stop admiring your work and stay out there? Keep it sharp now, boys. Everything connected. Plenty of voice. Get forward, Paddy. Get forward, Paddy. Go, go, go. Yes. Good. Talk to me, Dos. Talk to me, Dos, huh? Good work, bro. Good son. Good work. Good job, bro. Big boys competing.